Hi, this is Mark Miller from the Alaska EMS office. We're here today to help initial EMTs get their certification. You're going to have already claimed your account, and then you're going to go to your login page. Down at the bottom here, you'll put in your name and username and password. And today we're going to have Clark Kent get his certification. And don't forget, you can always click forgot username or password to help you get that done. Then you're going to be on this page where Clark Kent can go for his applications. So you will end up with a number initially. It may get changed, so don't worry about that. You're going to click on applications. Once you get to applications, then you're going to go down to all the available ones for you, which is EMT Initial, EMT Initial Bridge. There's some other things on there, but if you're trying to decide, click the correct one. Today you're clicking EMT Initial. So you're then going to get to the page which will outline all the steps that you're going to be going through. So you're going to just follow the process. You're going to start here. You'll give your information. Some of the information may already be filled in for you. You may have to make sure on every page that you click on the understand and agree to the aboves. Make sure to read these carefully. You do have to have your correct Social Security number for multiple purposes. And just make sure that you're clicking on those things. On your personal information page, some of it will be pre-filled out for you. Make sure everything is correct. Make sure you have your most recent email and you have a corrected address in there. So just make sure you go through and fill out all that information, and then it will keep walking you through the process. So then you'll fill in your home phone, your work phone, Social Security number, all those type of things. Make sure you've selected your correct gender, your select race, and keep working through the process until you get down to the bottom of the page and fill in everything you can. Please answer these questions at the bottom about are you being paid for performing EMS, are you using your EMS skills, and then you're going to click Save and Continue. You're now on the criminal history page. Please make sure to go through and read this carefully. If you have a criminal history, you may need to provide an affidavit or an interested person report. This area here is the area that would give you the interested persons report. We also have an area here, which is the criminal history frequently asked questions. So click on either one of those things to find that information. You also need to answer, before you continue on, the following criminal offense questions. Everybody needs to answer those. If you answered yes to any of the following, it's going to ask you to add in some additional information and provide some more information about the affidavits. At the end, please click Save and Continue. So you're now on the testing and training verification page. You're going to enter your course number and instructor and your CPR card. Your CPR expiration date needs to be included in there. It will not let you continue on unless your CPR card is valid. And you'll have to choose who you got your CPR card through. And again, you have to make sure to click all the buttons and then hit Save and Continue. You're now to the payment process and verification process via signature. We will only be accepting credit cards going forward. So this page may change a little bit in the near future. At the end, you will have to put in your username and password to confirm the validity of everything that's been documented so far. And once you've done that, you're going to hit save and continue. And Superman will be entering his information. And he agrees that he did all this work to become an EMT. Thank you for your service. There is a pop-up. You do have to make sure that you say OK. So there may be a will you be paying by check or money order? Please answer no, because it's going to take you to the credit card. Remember to answer that pop-up with OK. Once you've gotten this far, you're going to get to the checkout page. You've saved everything. You should be able to just hit pay now and then go forward from there. So I'm going to hit pay now. So this is the final step, the payment details. You're going to select your payment method, which is credit card as an individual, or if you have your organization is paying for it, they'll select credit card information or organization. And so we'll go through the credit card process. You'll submit a transaction. You may be taken off of the state website, so you're going to leave. You'll have to agree to go to a different website. We do have all the security processes in place, and we use Elevon as our provider, and they have a great track history. So you do have to go off the website. It is all encrypted. Make sure there is a lock on the page, just to be sure there's no scamming or hacking, and go forward from there. So hit submit transaction. So now you're on an off the state website information spot, and you will fill in your credit card information. You will then get maybe one of two emails, one saying that you've completed the process for the application, one saying that you've completed the process for payment. Once you've gotten that, then we'll be able to move forward in our office with finishing up the process. All right, thank you.